Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error SSL protocol error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, SSL protocol error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. In settings, from the left side of settings page, go to time and language. Sometimes incorrect date and time of your system may be a cause of various type of error appeared. So you must ensure that correct date and time is set on your system. So if you found incorrect date, then simply change it and put correct date, set correct date of your system. Change it and click on change. And also set time automatically, turn the toggle button on. Set time zone automatically, turn the toggle button on. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click, go to Windows search and type internet options. Open first appear result, internet options, open it. Here from the top menu bar, go to content. Go to content from the top menu bar and click on clear SSL state. This SSL caches was successfully cleared. To clear SSL caches, click on OK and close the windows and check whether your SSL error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on a screen. There may be a possibility of network related issue, so execute all these 5 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. ipconfig flush DNS, ipconfig register DNS, ipconfig release DNS, release, ipconfig renew, and binsock reset. Apply all these commands one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each times, and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Thereafter close the windows, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. There may be a possibility of your browser related issue, so launch your Chrome browser and here type the command chrome /flags enable QUIC, enable QUIC protocol in your browser. Here experimental QUIC, experimental protocol support, choose disable from the drop down menu. So disable experimental QUIC protocol and your changes will take effect the next time that you relaunch Chrome. Click on relaunch. Check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, one more fix is right click on start button and choose settings. Here on settings page, from the left side of settings, go to network and internet. Thereafter go to VPN connection, and if you have added any VPN connection, then simply remove it. Advanced settings for all VPN connections, allow, and go to proxy settings and automatically detect settings. Turn the toggle button off, and if any proxy setup is set up in your system, simply remove it. Restart your system. Your problem should be definitely be resolved. That's all.